Good morning, class. Coach Day, and today for our class assignment, we're just going to do a few pages of notes. It's a topic you need to know what it is, but some of it is just common sense. Now, causation. When you see causation, this is simple: cause and effect. One event causes another to happen. So, for example, after exercising, you feel exhausted. Now, just think of a few other examples. What else cause and effect? If you eat, you will feel full, right? There's really about a million different things we can put on here on your notes. If you want to write a few examples of your own, that'd be great. Now, association. Association, when you hear that, you need to think of the relationship between two variables, or their correlation. It could be strong, it could be weak, or there could be no correlation. Now, also, strong, weak, or no correlation depend on how closely those points are together. Also, this could be a positive, a negative, or once again, no correlation if there's no pattern where they're closely related. So X increases, ice cream sales increase, X increases as Y increases. So an example of that would be ice cream sales increase as it gets hotter, because as there's hotter temperature, more people are going to want to buy ice cream. Then it asks, what are a few other examples? Just think of a few. So, for example, when I know that people are trying to lose weight, the more exercise they do, in general, the more weight they're going to lose. So we could put that. And now let's show you an example of how you'll see it on the STARS test. At the very bottom, it says question number 9, which situation best represents causation? Best represents the cause and effect. Is it A, when the number of bus stops increase, causing the number of car sales to decrease? B, when fewer firefighters report to a house fire, the damage caused by the fire decreases? C, when ice cream sales increase, incidents of the sunburn increase? Or D, when it rains several inches, the water level of a lake increases? So look through those answers and see which ones are closely related to cause and effect. Pick your answer and we'll go over it in a second. All right, let's look at the first one. The number of bus stops increasing, number of car sales decreasing. May not necessarily affect how the car sales go. Could affect car usage, could mean the gas prices go down, but those are not quite closely related. When fewer firefighters report to a house fire, the damage caused by the fire decreases. Well, if there's less firefighters, the damage would probably actually increase. When ice cream sales increase, incidents of sunburn also increase. Well, there could be special events, there could be celebrations increasing the sale of ice cream. It doesn't necessarily mean they're outside getting sunburned. So, let's look at D. When it rains several inches, the water level of a lake increases. Well, there's the cause, raining inches. Here's the effect, the water level increases. That makes sense, so that's causation. Not too bad, right? All right, this was the first set of notes.